Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Bruckner. I'm an engineering manager at RapDev, and today we're going to talk about tag-based clustering with AIOps.
I'm Josh Van Harn, I'm a solutions engineer. The essence of using tags and clustering is that if you don't have a service map defined or you don't have an understanding that rolls up into the more abstract business applications here in ServiceNow, that you can still fall back onto the tags that you might have within your cloud environment and use those tags feeding into AIOps to identify correlation and use that for suppression mechanisms. So the things that are coming out of that, let's say cloud tags, let's mark that down. So all events coming into your event management, into AIOps, have a set of tags. AIOps will go through those tags, find associations within a certain time frame, and use that to then identify that you might already have an event, that something's already in progress, or that there's a net new component in there. So effectively, by ensuring you have a tagging strategy, you're not just feeding things in the future like service maps or components around observability, but you can also use them to get ahead into using AIOps to do event suppression to improve the information that you're getting out of it, right, without having to do all the upfront or architectural work. Another element to consider is if you are using tags but you're not sure about the compliance within the organization, you can use ServiceNow tag validation to identify if all the tags are there, if they're compliant with the standards that you've set. But you can even use that to push back into your cloud assets the right tag. So when then finally events come in against those assets, the tag and tag validation here is getting better every time these events come in, but also as CI or assets, your cloud assets get deployed.
Super cool, thanks Josh. That was tag-based clustering with AIOps. If you want to learn more, check out our website, rapdev.io.